Wednesday 13th of August, 7:42 PM Sydney, Australia time. So UK economic news has just been released and the markets have gone crazy. In the last 60 seconds, 2 minutes, I've just made $900. And the more this pushes down, the more I'm making. I could collect another $1,000 right now if I closed everything, but I think I'll just let it run for a bit, having a bit of a rest. Okay, I'll close that. I'll close a few things and take the profit. And that's already there, so it's okay. I'll close that one. Beauty. So I've made nearly $2,400 in the last 5 minutes. Love it. Love it. And there's more to come, boys and girls. It's still going. Sell. Give it to me, baby. Okay, it's having a rest. There's been some profit taking. A lot of profit taking. So it's having a bit of a rebound. That's okay. It always does that. So I'll let it rest for a bit before we continue on. $2,400 in 5 minutes. That's a good result. I wish I could earn that every 5 minutes, or even just once a day. Or even just 2 or 3 times a week would be fine. Okay, it's now 11:30 PM, and boy, have we had some action tonight. So all across the board, the pound pairs, UK pairs, have fallen some 1400 pips there. Pound Swiss franc 1900 pips, and pound yen total of 1600 pips, and my account is now up to 58,132. So tonight I've made just over $3,000 so far, and we've got one there that I want to close out. I'm hoping it'll come down again. It's basically finished now. I'm just waiting for this to come down again close enough to close that, and this one over here I'll close that probably at 0. So that was it. Now what happened was that at 6:30 PM Sydney time there were 2 UK news releases. They were mixed. We had one positive and one negative, and the result of that was we had this fall here, which was what, about 300 pips or so. That recovered, and then after an hour or so it pushed back up past 11. Excellent. That's been a good day's work. So yeah, $3,000 for a couple of hours work. That's not bad at all, mind you. When I say work, I mean watching videos and glancing at the computer screen. There we go. So that's it for tonight. Terry Smith signing off for ForexTradingSchools.com.